Item planning consists of 10 individual apps for controlling inventory, item shortages, and answering the inevitable question, when can you deliver? Item planning is a tool that provides a very accurate inventory status and projects the expected inventory levels of an item over time. The solution can assist in setting up the master production schedule, promise deliveries, and monitor inventory levels. Item planning provides a single, unified view, giving you a comprehensive overview of both current and anticipated item availability. Any shortages or production orders that are past due date are highlighted in red, easy to identify, so you can take action quickly. If the expected inventory goes negative at a date, you can click on Show Sales Orders to see the warnings where you are not able to deliver. This can also be presented graphically as here. The light gray bars are when we expect the negative stock to occur. Every scheduled receipt and issue defined by its type is displayed to present the expected inventory in ascending date order. Lastly, you can also start simulating changes to the plan in terms of quantity and dates to stabilize the plan. When the red font disappears, you'll have enough items to cover the additional sold, and then you'll have a positive inventory.